Hello friends, this video is about the concept and law of limiting factors. So limiting factors are the factors that are not present in abundance, and these are the environmental conditions or the resources that limit the growth or distribution of an ecosystem. So law of limiting factor was first proposed by Frederick Frost Blackman and in 1905, according to which if a chemical process is affected by more than one factor, then its rate will be determined by the factor which is nearest to its minimal value. It is the factor which directly affects the process if its quantity is changed. So, when the rate of the process becomes constant due to the limiting factor, it can be regulated by regulating the amount of the factor only which is limiting. For an example, limiting factor for the photosynthesis is the concentration of the CO2, H2O, temperature, intensity of the light, chlorophyll, and the chloroplast. So there is also a criticism behind this, and in the effect of the ecology, in the perspective of the ecological condition, there is a population ecology. A regulating factor, also known as a limiting factor, is something that keeps a population at equilibrium, neither increasing or not decreasing in the size over time. So this figure suggests that when the concentration of the CO2 increases, the rate of photosynthesis is also increasing. But when the rate reaches its maximum size or the highest limit at high intensity of light, and CO2 concentration again and become constant. So no effect of the CO2 increment. So here is the example for the animals. So what are the limiting factors for the animal? That is keystone species, predation, and next one, energy, space, and the food supply. So here is the rate of the photosynthesis and the effect of the light intensity, temperature, and the CO2 concentration. So here is a description of that the impact or the effect of the limiting factor on the population. So limiting factor can lower birth rate, increase death rate, or lead to the e-migration. When an organism faces limiting factor, they show logistic growth as shaped curve. Competition for resources like food and space cause the growth rate to stop the increasing, so the population levels off. So types of the limiting factor may be the density dependent, density independent. So here is the graph of the logistic growth model and the effect of the population uh, in the so all about this. Thank Keep watching. Thank you.